Every time a robot moves, its internal cables move with it. During continuous use, robot cables endure repeated bending, causing rigid cables to accumulate mechanical stress over time. That's why flexibility is critical. Silicone insulation helps the cable remain soft during continuous movement, effectively reducing bending stress. Combined with fine-stranded tin copper conductors, it maintains stable electrical performance while allowing smooth mechanical movement. It operates from -60 degrees Celsius to +200 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for high-temperature internal wiring applications. In real industrial applications, these cables must withstand continuous dynamic bending to adapt to complex motion paths. In applications requiring continuous motion and complex internal wiring, proper cable design can help improve long-term system reliability.